Financial struggle is often directly the result of people working all their lives for someone else. Many people will simply have nothing at the end of their working days to show for their efforts. You see, I truly believe that if you really want to create your best possible life, you should start your own online business. Hey, it's Alex here. If you haven't seen me so far, if you don't know me so far, please subscribe, sign up, like my page. I'm here for you. You see, land was wealth 300 years ago. Later, wealth was in factories and production. Today, wealth is in information. But information flies around the world at the speed of light, and changes will be faster and more dramatic. There will be a dramatic increase in the number of new multimillionaires, but there will be also those who are left behind. Which one are you? I'm asking you now. Some cling the old ideas and often they struggle and they blame technology or the economy that they cannot do it. They are not good enough, they are not strong enough. What they fail to see is that the old ideas are their biggest liability. An idea or way of doing something that may have been an asset yesterday isn't today anymore. Some people love the game, some hate it, and others just miss the point. Again, which one are you? If you are willing to work to learn something new, make sure you are willing to change. Otherwise, it will not work. You see, life is much like going to the gym. The most painful part is deciding to go. Once you get past that, it's easy. There have been many days I have drained myself going into the gym, but once I'm there and in motion, it's a pleasure. After the workout is over actually, I'm always glad I talked myself into going. Don't wanna wait for the best opportunity to show up in your life, don't you? In her book, The Retirement Myth, 𝗪𝗪𝗀𝗪 writes, and she says, I visited the headquarters of a major national pension consulting firm and met with a managing director who specializes in designing lush retirement plans for top management. When I asked her what people who don't have corner offices will be able to expect in the way of pension income, she said with a confident smile, the silver bullet. What? I asked. The silver bullet? What do you mean by that? She shrugged and said, if baby boomers discover they don't have enough money to live on when they are older, they can always blow their brains out. Wow, that's a strong one. 𝗪𝗪𝗪 goes on to explain the difference between the old defined benefit retirement plans and the new 401k plans that are riskier. It is not a pretty picture for most people working today, isn't it? And that is just for retirement. Add medical fields and long-term nursing home care and the picture is frightening. Already many hospitals in countries with specialized medicines need to take tough decisions such as who will live and who will die. They make these decisions purely on how much money they have and how old the patients are. Once again, they make these decisions purely on how much money they have and how old the patients are. That's so deep. If the patient is old, they will often give the medical care to someone younger. The older poor patient gets put to the back of the line. Just as the rich can afford better education, the rich will be able to keep themselves alive, while those who have little wealth will die. So I wonder, are workers looking into the future or just wait until their next paycheck, never questioning where they're headed? When I speak to adults who want to earn more money, I always recommend the same thing. I suggest taking a long view of their life. Instead of simply working for the money and security, which I admit are important, I suggest they take a second job that will teach them a second skill. Often I recommend joining a network marketing company, also called a multi-level marketing, if they want to learn sales skills. Some of these companies have excellent training programs that help people get over their fear of failure and rejection, which are the main reasons people are unsuccessful. Education is more valuable than money in the long run. When I offer this suggestion, I often hear in response, oh, that is too much hassle, or I only want to learn what I am interested in. If they say it's too much hassle, I ask, So would you rather work all your life giving 50% of what you earn to the government? If they tell me I only do what I'm interested in, I say I'm not interested in going to the gym, but I go because I want to feel better and live longer. Here's what I got from Robert Kiyosaki in his book Rich Dad Poor Dad. There is an old cliché that goes, JOB is an acronym for just over broke. Unfortunately, I would say that applies to millions of people. Because school does not think financial intelligence is an intelligence, most workers live within their means. They work and they pay the bills. There is another horrible management theory that goes, workers work hard enough to not be fired and owners pay just enough for that workers won't quit. How true is that? And if you look at the pay scales of most companies, again, I would say there is a degree of truth to that statement. The net result is that most workers never get ahead in their lives. They do what they've been taught to do. Get a secure job. Get up, go to work, pay the bills. Get up, go to work, pay the bills. Nothing more than that in their lives. Most workers focus on pay and benefits that reward them in the short term but are often disastrous in the long run. Instead, I recommend to young people to seek work for what they will learn more than what they will earn. Look down the road at what skills they want to acquire before choosing a specific profession and before getting trapped in the rat race. Once people are trapped in the lifelong process of bill paying, they become like those little hamsters running around in those metal wheels. Their little furry legs are spinning furiously, the wheel is turning furiously, but come tomorrow morning they'll still be in the same cage. Great job. So now let's see, which one are you? What's your biggest holdback in a way to take your life to the next level? Do you really want to work all your life for the government and living on what's left? Or you'll decide today, right now, exactly when we're speaking at this moment of time, to create your best possible life. Click the link below on my landing page, enter your name and your email address and get ready for a better quality of life by watching the free video series from my mentors Stu and Jay. Videos created especially for you to see how simple it is if you're committed for something bigger than yourself. Join me within the knowledge business industry, clicking the link below and we'll continue from there. Bye for now.